Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Tedooo, an app that claims to be a one-stop shop for crafters, DIY addicts, and people who actually buy handmade things. It sounds lovely, but the big question is whether it's actually legit or just another digital junk drawer. Let's find out. First off, it's available on both the Play Store and the App Store, which theoretically means it passed some security checks. Because as we all know, if a giant tech corporation says it's okay, it definitely won't steal your soul or your credit card info. Moving on to customer support, Tedooo actually provides an email, a phone number, and even a physical address. It's almost touching to see a company that doesn't just hide behind a broken chatbot named Gary that never understands your questions. They're also quite the social butterflies, boasting over 41,000 followers on Instagram alone. Apparently, being active on LinkedIn and Facebook makes a brand feel approachable, or at least proves they have a functioning marketing department and a decent Wi-Fi connection. The app was founded by Michelle Pelker and Tal Shoam, so at least we have real names to hold accountable if things go south. Transparency is a nice touch, but the user reviews are where the plot really thickens. On the Play Store, it's rocking a 4.9 star rating, a level of perfection usually reserved for puppies and free pizza. However, hop over to Trustpilot, and it's a much saltier 2.7 stars. Nothing says consistent user experience like a 2-point gap between different review sites. While some users are busy praising the smooth transactions and creative community, others are shouting about spam, fake posts, and support that moves at the speed of a tectonic plate. So, what's the final verdict? Tedooo is a legitimate platform with real founders and a massive community, which is a solid start. It's reliable enough for genuine creators, but you should probably keep your eyes peeled for the occasional hiccup or suspicious account. If you found this helpful, do the usual internet dance. Like, share, and subscribe. If you've used the app yourself, drop a comment below and let me know if it was a craft heaven or a digital headache.